Hi everyone! So today's gonna be my Ipsy Glam bag of January, our first bag of 2025. Let's see what the bag looks like, because I didn't check online to see what I was getting. I only chose one of the products, because that's with the Ipsy Glam bag, you're allowed to select one product. Oh, mine is all folded. But this is what it looks like. It's stuffed. Mine's just stuffed. Look at it. It's like bent and everything. Alright. Okay. Now that it's not clipped, it fixed up. But yeah. I like the bag. It's nice. It's wipeable. It's like, what's that called? Like basket weave. I like the clasp. Alright. Let's see if the card will help us out today. Clean slate. Oh, yay! It has the product. That's great. So first up, it's gonna be Dr. LILI Fan Probiotic Recovery Cream Anti-Aging Moisturizer. I love me some probiotics. It's helped my skin a lot. Please don't be scented. And if you are, smell good. Nope, just smells like lotion. Perfect. So again, that's the LILI Fan, Dr. LILI Fan. It's the probiotic cream. It's packed with proprietary blend of reparative peptides that stimulate collagen synthesis in your cells. Shea butter and vegan probiotics help smooth and balance irritation in skin, leaving your complexion looking plump and youthful. Use short, upward strokes when applying this cream, fully absorb into skin. This is a deluxe sample, and a full version is 1.7 ounces for $68, and this is 0.5 fluid ounce. So basically almost half, right? No, 3/4? I don't know. I don't remember math like that. And I was a math genius in school. I got straight A's in math. Don't tell me how I can't remember stuff. Alright, next up is Goldilocks Ultra Hydrating Signature Hair Mask. Let's see. Yeah, Goldilocks Ultra Hydrating Signature Hair Mask. The luxurious formula is a game changer for thirsty, damaged hair. With this powerful blend of hydrating ingredients like rose water, biotin, and marula oil, it instantly replenishes moisture, helps repair damaged, and imparts incredible shine without weighing your hair down. After applying, cover hair in a shower cap for 5 minutes to maximum absorption. This is a deluxe sample. Full size is 6.8 fluid ounces. Is $56. This is 1 fluid ounce. So only 0.7? Huh? Oh no, sorry. Did I say that right? 6.8 fluid ounces is $56. And we got 1 fluid ounce. So 1/6. This is a pretty good size. And it looks like it's like up to here. Through the light, I could see. It's like up here. And it says, indulgence in the luxury of deep hydration, protect against future damage, and creates visibly healthy hair while instantly restoring hydration, fighting frizz, smoothing split ends, and strengthening hair. Alright, I'll try it out. Oh, let me smell it. We gotta smell, don't we? Oh, ooh, it smells like berries. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, I would try this just for the smell. I want my hair smelling like this. If the other products smell like this, like from this line, but it's just way too expensive. Alright, next up is Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Balm Gloss Bond. Look at how tiny. Oh my god, does this say how many ounces? 0.080, right? 15 grams is 22, and this is 2.5 grams. Wow, this is, I have a big one of these, and I do like it, so I could put this in my purse instead of carrying the big one, so I'm not mad at that. Alright, next up, this is from ILLUMINATI Multi-Chrome Gel Eyeliner, and the shade, it says Prime. So maybe that's the shade. Yeah, it says Prime. So it's a multi-chrome gel liner. So let's see. What the? Okay, you got a smudge. Is there any color on it? No. So it's just that. And then the color on the end. See how it's like, it looks like there's like a pen here. I don't know, it's weird. Let's see this. It's like a gray that it turns into like a green gold shift. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that. It switches from gray to green, and then you just smudge it, I guess, to get that smoky look. Dude, it just rubbed it out. I guess you're supposed to wait till it dries, I guess. It just completely rubbed it out. Now all you've seen is the sparkles. Now you see the sparkles after you smudge it out. I think that would be pretty. I have blue eyes, so yeah, nice. I'll try that out. Next on my list, this was my pick. It's a 9-pan palette. You know, I'm on my... Oh, I didn't tell you the price of the Illuminati Multi-Chrome Gel Eyeliner in Prime. This rich and vivid metallic bronze eyeliner has what it takes to line, define, and outshine your other liners. Its creamy texture glides with precision and ease, delivering a plush streak of deep gold pigment drenched in multi-dimensional metallic sheen to your eyes. Sweep the tip along the waterline and smudge out with the liner brush. It is full size and it's $21. Nice! Full size. This is my next product. This is from YC Collection 2. This is Sela Eye Palette. Like I said, it's a 9-pan palette. Oh, this is pretty. That looks very pretty. I like the packaging. It looks upscale. Even though it's plastic, but this feels like good plastic. And that's what it looks like. Let's give some swatches, you know that. I like swatching the shimmers. There's 2 shimmers and 7 mattes. They swatched okay. Yeah, they swatched okay. I'll do a video of me using these, but let me try these dark matte. The matte freaking swatched better than the... I like that they have deep colors. Yeah, look at those mattes. The mattes, yeah, the mattes freaking swatched fantastic. Oh, I can do like a whole green look with these 3 greens with Eternal Life and 21:4, like from the Bible. And then you can do like the browns and pinks. And even though I'll use the greens, I can still use this dark brown to deepen the crease. This one to deepen. Oh, I like this. And then this you can use as a transition shader. This one. Yeah, I like this palette. I like it. I can't wait to use it. Again, it's from YC. It's a full size, $26. This eyeshadow palette is packed with 9 versatile shades that range from rich browns and a mint green matte shade to prismatic pink and sage green shimmers for endless eye looks. The powerful pigment offers intense color payoff with maximum blendability and longevity too. Use shadow brush or finger to swipe on lids alone or layer together. These mattes alone got me excited. But that's all I got for you today. That is my video of my Ipsy Glam bag. If you can do me a solid, subscribe, like, comment, share. I'm getting subscribers from people getting recommended my video. So that means because you guys are liking and sharing, not liking, sharing, liking, commenting, it's telling people that you like my content, so they're gonna recommend it to someone else that likes that type of that content. I can't get words out. But if you can please do that for me, that would be fantastic. You don't know what to put, just say, hey Jasmine, how you doing? And I'll reply to you. Let me know. Tell me about your day. Tell me if you're excited. Tell me what was in your glam bag if you got it. So I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Bye.